Hey everybody, it's Boxing Day here in Canada. I don't know if they have Boxing Day in the US, but anyway, I wanted to show you guys something that my son got for Christmas. And he's going to come over here in a little bit and we're going to shoot this thing off. It's a geez, I'm all tongue-tied. It's a Crossman R71. It's not a real expensive airsoft gun, but it's pretty cool. I don't know much about airsoft guns myself, but this one here has semi-automatic, full automatic, and then that switch all the way up is the safety. This slot here, it looks like you put your magazine in it, but it's actually the battery. Takes a rechargeable, I don't know how many volts it is, but rechargeable battery, and that's the release button. You put your airsoft pellets here in the scope, which is kind of weird, you know. But anyway, it's got a silencer. It's not really a silencer. I don't know what function it has, if it actually does anything, or if it's just to, you know, just to make it look good. But it does come off. Test fire! Take one. Hold on.
Do it.
Do it. Ow! Ow, the pain! Oh, right in the biscuits!
What, did I actually hit you there?
Damn you.
Running low, I'll just put it on semi.
You must be at a... oh. Ah! Ah! The pain! Jesus, that one flinged right by my ear.
Seriously?
Yeah. Where's that? I can feel where it's hitting, but I couldn't see where it was hitting.
No, the semi won't work since the battery's getting low.
This one?
No,
You're
two.
Nice. Oh, too close! Too close!
But the gun's low. Too close. Could still be some power left in that thing.